Hello and welcome to today's review of Contently. My name is Maverick, and as you know, what I do here is help you make the best decision when it comes to taking an action on the internet. All right, now there are several opportunities on the internet, like thousands, if not millions of opportunities. So it can be difficult for you to know the best one you can go for, and that is why I created this channel. So if this is something that interests you, you can go ahead and click the red subscribe button below so that you can encourage me to keep doing this the more. All right, now let's head straight to why you are here, which is Contently. Now, what is Contently? Contently is a platform whereby clients hire content strategists. If you're a content writer or a journalist, you can easily make money from this platform. Okay, so you can see unlock growth with content. And also, if you want to hire content writers, you can come here to this platform and you will get content writers. I mean, experts, all right, who are very good in their field. You're gonna get them here for you to hire. All right. So now that is about this. Talking about the good side of Contently, they pay high, okay, compared to others freelance websites. This is more like a freelance platform for content writers, okay. But compared to other compared to other freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, majorly Fiverr, these guys pay more, right? Even they still pay more than Upwork because this is their own area, like creating content. That's just their main area, right? So this is more like a freelance platform for content writers, all right, majorly content creators, okay, majorly content creators. So they also have good customer service, okay. The customer service is very good, so it depends on your own aim. If your main purpose of trying out Contently is to make money, then they are good. If yours is to hire content strategists, content creators to help you create content writers or creators, whatever it is, you are in the right place. All right, so you can easily sign up for free, okay, just by clicking on the sign up button below, above, rather, at the top right corner there, and you're good to go. All right, so as you can see, there's a lot here, but not that much though. Let's talk about the drawback of Contently. All right, the thing about Contently is that this kind of platform, if you're a freelancer here, whereby you wanna get content gigs, all right, where you want clients to hire you and pay you, it's not everyone that it works for, okay. And before I forget, they pay as high as $2 per word, and you can even get as high as $900 for long form content, okay, like thousands of content, 1,000 words of content. You can maybe like 3,000, 5,000 words. You can get as high as $900. All right. So the thing is that the competition is kind of high here. So because they pay very well, so it doesn't work for a lot. All right. I have a friend of mine that registered for Contently, okay, 3 years back, but he later just had to drop it because it was his sister that introduced him to his, and his sister was kind of making money, but he wasn't getting any gig at all, so he had to just drop it. So these days the competition is even more fierce and too much. So it works for others, it doesn't work for others. So that is what you should know. So you shouldn't be 100% sure, like 100% confident, okay, that you'll be able to make a lot of money from this platform. All right, and the competition is much because they pay very well. Just like I said, the competition is so much. All right, so because they pay a lot of money, so you can make a good living. All right, like not really that good, but you can be contented, all right, with the earnings you can here. All right, and it's not really reliable for steady income. All right, so if you want steady income whereby you want something passive whereby you can keep earning and earning, it's not really reliable, except if you're able to get details of your clients which you work for, okay, and they're interested in to keep using you. All right, maybe the clients that you work for, maybe you're even lucky, okay, you're able to get one client, and such client keeps giving you the chance to write for them. But it's not really steady, it's not passive whereby you can keep earning all the time. All right, and it's not available in every country, just majorly in the tier 1 countries. But if you're in the tier 2 country, then you you're gonna you're not gonna I doubt if you're gonna be accepted for this. All right, so this is much about the this is all I know about Contently. So you can give it a try, okay, it doesn't matter, it's free to sign up. All right, you can sign up for it and get more gigs. All right, this is my whole review and my verdict about it. But the fact that it's not something steady whereby you can keep earning passive income, only few writers few content strategists on this platform are really making a lot. So if you want something passive whereby you can keep earning, all right, something passive for you that you can automate it and you can keep earning, then I suggest you try out affiliate marketing. All right, you can add it to your own online income source whereby you can sell other people's product, get product that is working already. There's a particular product that is working and is selling, and digital products, and a lot of people are going for it and buying it, then you can just grab it and recommend it and sell. All right. So if you want to learn the strategy to sell more of affiliate products, because you don't even have to involve in a lot of cost, right? You don't have to involve in a lot of capital to get started, and you don't have to go for high ticket program for you to get started. If you want something like this, then you can click the link in the video description and you can learn from my mentor. Okay, or if you check the screen right now, you're gonna see a link that you can copy paste it in your browser, and you can learn from my mentor about how you can go about selling affiliate products. Okay, and you can earn passive income whereby you can automate your stuff and you can make money on autopilot. All right, so you don't have to be there all the time, or you don't have to keep writing and burning your fingers to just to make a living. You can easily make a living without having to be writing all the time. And these days, with the rate at which there is now AI, okay, AI is now available now. So that's another drawback. Okay, with the introduction of AI, a lot of companies are now going for AI, like Chat GPT and other Javis and other. Majorly Chat GPT has now made everyone to just fire their content writers or content creators. So that is another thing. So you need to be on the more safer side, whereby you are using AI for your own advantage by using it to sell more products easily, instead of you losing job to AI. So that is another thing that you should know. So I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the video description so that you can grab this opportunity and learn affiliate marketing from the best. All right, so this is a way for you to make passive income online without you having to think about losing your job, or without you having to think about when you're going to get your next client. All right, so I'm going to see you at the other side. Take care of yourself. Peace. Bye.